I will be sharing with you on the net zero digital warehouse digital retrofit. Basically, some of the basic innovative initiatives that RSA Global have taken to achieve zero emissions in their warehouse. And first, RSA Global is a digital freight forwarding and supply chain company that is headquartered out of UAE. And as a warehouse operator, you got to invest in digital retrofit to be able to reduce your fulfillment cost. So this particular warehouse that was retrofitted is located within the Dubai Logistics City, spanned around about 23,000 square meter, and utilizes about 1.6 megawatt of electricity per annum. We all know about the UAE's leadership commitment towards net zero, and that was again reiterated by His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum during the opening ceremony of the Expo 2020, where he reiterated the fact that we all need to, pivot this nation's economy towards net zero. So at RSA Global, we incorporated this into our sustainability pillars to ensure that we are energy efficient and we operate sustainably as we can. We took different approaches in terms of sustainable approaches that we took. First is a decision or a question on how can we generate clean source of energy within the facility, which we went solar, and that was installing solar panels on the rooftop and installing solar on the carport as well. The second sustainable approach that we took was a question on how can we reduce the energy that is being consumed within the facility. And it's about getting some sustainable architecture within the facility in terms of the retrofit technologies that we implemented and the energy efficiency measures that we took. And that we partner with Taka Solutions to be able to move faster on this journey of net zero. So we took different steps in terms of collation of data within the facility, looking at different history of the data being consumed, doing some site measurements and analyzing this data to be able to come up with a report and having a decision as to which equipment is suitable for this retrofitting and efficiency measures. These are some of the equipments that were retrofitted in terms of the packaging units, the lighting and chilled water and stuff like that. All these are the live photos that were actually taken during the project. In partnering with Taka Solutions, we were able to enhance some of these systems and some of this equipment to be able to achieve this net zero overall. So, what is the output for us on some of these sustainable solutions or approaches that we've taken? First is on the solar installation, which we were able to generate 1 megawatt of electricity for this particular warehouse, and that accounted for about 78.1% of the total energy being consumed for this particular facility. And on the other hand, in terms of the retrofitting and energy efficiency measures that we implemented with Taka Solution, we partnered with Taka Solution on that, we were able to reduce our energy consumption by 20.9% overall within the facility. So if you put together these two percentages together, that gives about 99% of the energy that we were able to retrofit. And looking at the achievement overall, the entire 2021, this facility only consumed 1% of its energy from DEWA, which is a great achievement. And looking at that, if you input that savings of the energy into the US EPA greenhouse gas emission calculators, you see the different impacts in terms of the number of cars that this could have been powered, the energy could have been used to power, or the number of homes that this could have been used to power, and different millions of smartphones that could have been used to charge, and different greenhouse emissions that were saved from there. With this data, this project was put up as the Best Net Zero Project Award for the year 2022 during the MENA Retrofit Summit Award, which was issued by Energy Services and DIWA during the award ceremony. What's the key takeaway for us today? It simply means that this net zero can be achieved anywhere within the world, and it's not a pipe dream anymore. It is a reality and can be achieved wherever you are all over the world. If you take into consideration the different customers that you partner with, the different clients or companies, technical companies that you partner with,